Are you looking to buy yourself a brand new video camera? In this video, I will show you the best budget video cameras based on my personal opinion and hours of research. I have included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for the best budget video camera, I'll have the best product for you. And if you want more information and updated pricing on the products in this video, be sure to check out all links in the description down below. On number 6, we've got the Canon PowerShot SX530. Aiming at giving you a magnified zoom and helping you transfer pictures faster, this one allows you to beautifully capture every shot, no matter how far-fetched it may seem, thanks to its 50x zoom power. The Canon PowerShot inhibits wireless connectivity that lets you share pictures with the world in an instant, without the hassle of storing them into your PCs first. The camera quality of 1080p Full HD will surely impress you. It also retains the crisp pictures even in low light situations. The Canon PowerShot SX530 is also compatible with Canon's picture and video storage device. All you need to do is tap to get the pictures to the Connect Station CS100 that offers you up to 1 TB of storage, which will be significant enough to hold all your high quality pictures and videos on the go. Along with these, you also get a hybrid auto feature that records up to 4 seconds of video every time you capture a still picture and later join the pictures to form a movie or a short clip. Its intelligent technology and robust curation are what makes Canon one of the most reliable brands out there. Then on number 5, we've got the Panasonic HCV180K camcorder. One of the best cheap video cameras because not only does it fit in your pocket, it also offers you an extensive range of useful features for its costs. Moreover, it comes in black, which is pretty cool. Now the Panasonic HCV180K is compact, lightweight, and it's easy to use. It brings you a high-resolution video capture with a 5-axis image stabilizer, 50x optical zoom, and up to 90x intelligent zooming. It also features a 2-channel zoom microphone that captures crisp audio for your videos, irrespective of the distance of the subject. The best part about this Panasonic camcorder is that it corrects all the tilt fixes that arise whenever you fail to record videos at a fixed angle. The level shot function automatically detects and compensates for the camera tilting. So with the help of this gadget, you can now take perfect pictures even during hiking or trekking. The responsive touch LED screen is 2.7 inches, wherein you can compose your images, add filters, and play with your pictures to enhance their general settings. Apart from these, the Panasonic also features effects like a silent movie, miniature effect, and time-lapse recording to make your experience even more fun. On number 4, we've got the GoPro Hero 5 Session. Another best budget video camera is the GoPro Hero 5. This one is extremely affordable and worth every single penny, keeping in mind the amazing range of features it has to offer. Built extremely durable, the Hero 5 is waterproof up to 10 meters, so you can take it for a swim and record your crazy pool sessions all summer long. This is the ultimate combination of performance in a small size gadget that is really easy to travel with. It offers you a video quality of 4K, voice control, and one-button simplicity. After you are done clicking pictures, you can directly send them over to your GoPro Plus cloud account and get swift access on your phones. The GoPro Hero 5 lets you record live as you live it. You also get to enjoy hands-free control to your device as it obeys when you command it by saying GoPro start recording. Its easy operation is one of the most notable features that lets you power the camera and start recording in a single go. On number 3, we've got the Canon Vixia HFR800. This one comes in 2 color variants, which are black and white, both of which look amazingly gorgeous and will turn heads their way. Thanks to its super powerful zoom, you can record all the special moments, be it close by or farther away, on the Canon Vixia HFR800 camcorder. The all-new highlight priority mode, along with the backlight correction, helps you get the best shots and make high quality movies even in imperfect lighting. The Canon also lets you choose amongst improved versions of slow and fast recording options that let you experiment with different ways to record. This camcorder is lightweight and easy to operate, which means that you can hold on and record on it for longer periods without paining your arms. The Canon R800 video recorder incorporates a powerful Digic D4 image processor that delivers you an outstanding image quality. What it does is that it captures more light and refines the brightness and noise in the images to make them look sharper, clearer, and more appealing. Lastly, the impressive 57x zoom allows you to record dynamic videos of your family and friends. It is ideal for shooting pictures of animals, family events, and ceremonies that carry a special place in your heart. On number 2, we've got the GoPro Hero 7 Black. GoPro is one of the ideal options if you are looking for the best video camera for your money. Priced in a relatively affordable range, this one features a hyper-smooth video stabilization that makes your movie smooth and flawless. You get a time-lapse video while you move out a scene. GoPro lets you click the best pictures you can automatically. It is a super photo feature that intelligently applies HDR to your pictures and reduces any noise and local tone mapping to optimize your shots. The Hero 7 model is rugged and waterproof. This means you can dive into the waters and capture every priceless moment and later see it in even better quality. It provides water resistance up to 10 meters and you can carry this along for any adventure. You also get to go hands-free on your little gadget. At this one, listen to commands when you say GoPro, take a photo. That's pretty cool, isn't it? We are all social animals and no trip is complete until we update our Facebook. The GoPro Hero 7 lets you share your story while live streaming it to your Facebook feed. This is a really cool feature if you want to share your experience in real time. The number 1 on our list is the Sony RX100. It is jet black, classy, and stunning. Moreover, there's nothing better than owning a gadget that makes a style statement wherever and whenever you use it. The Sony RX100 offers 20.1 megapixels and comes with an f1029 lens. It offers a decent sized 3-inch LED screen that is perfect to visualize the videos you are recording. The most noticeable features of video cameras is their cam quality. Sony RX100 gives you a 1080p video, steady shot image stabilization, rear control dial, and a customizable front control ring, so it is a win-win situation for you. The brand new developed large diameter f1.8 Carl Zeiss Vario Sonmar lens provides you with a refined background effect and gives you an impressive bokeh effect. It also reduces ghost and flare that is generally caused due to light reflection. The Sony RX100 lets you create crystal clear and stunning movies at a rate of 60 FPS. Another notable feature about this one is that it inhibits a face detection system wherein it can automatically detect up to 8 faces. It automatically adjusts the brightness, exposure, white balance, and flash to give you properly lit images of your loved ones. Overall, this is definitely the best budget camera out there, and that's it for the top 5. As always, I'll leave links in the description down below if you want to go check that out. If you have any questions about these cameras, let me know in the comments down below, and then I'll see you in the next one.